Right, this is a Premier Inn room review. We're staying in the Premier Inn South Bay Premier Inn in Scarborough. I've just made another video on the chaos in reception and the problems with the car parking. So if you want to watch that video as well, you'll see it as Scarborough Premier Inn Part 2. But this is the room review. And I think, we stayed in the room maybe, I don't know, 3 years ago, something like that. And I think the rooms have been refitted. That's what I think's gone on. I'll start with the bathroom. The bathroom's definitely been refitted. It's a lot nicer, a lot shinier. I don't think it's too bad, to be honest. It's got one of them shoddy things, look, one of them for you getting rid of your wastewater. But yeah, I don't think it's too bad. They've got a bath. What's that? A rainforest shower head. Very posh. I think the bathroom's all right. I don't think there's any problems with the bathroom. You got a hairdryer under there, look. Fair size room. They've given us 2 singles, so I'm in here sharing with my son Sebastian. He's next door, so we've booked 2 rooms for 3 nights. That's what we've got. So we've got 1 adult and 1 child in one room, and then 1 adult and 1 child in the other room, sort of thing. Decent sized telly on the wall. Decent sized telly, look. Bigger telly than that was in the whole Premier Inn. Your bog standard tea and coffee facilities. Pretty tight fisted with the sugars. How many sugars have I got? 1, 2. 2 sugars. How about that? 2 sugars. So that's a bit crap. The view outside, I think it's the back. I've got a big tree, and then there's some tables down there. I think maybe it's the back of the Brewers Fair, maybe. I think that's what it is. The back of the Brewers Fair. But yeah, the rooms weren't that expensive. I think I paid about 60, 70 quid a night, I think they were. There might have been like 60 quid, maybe. I think there was like 60 quid, maybe. I suppose the thing is for Scarborough, was just that, like, it's the Sunday night we're at the minute. I think it's Sunday the 21st of July, I think. Sunday the 21st of July. We've been out in Scarborough. We've had a walk on the beach. I've been out on the pirate boat, which is the same pirate boat that Mr. Tumble's been out on. Mr. Tumble's pirate boat. It's the same boat. So we've been out on that. We've been in the arcades. In Scarborough at the minute, there's something called, I think it's Scarborough Fest or something. So there's like a food and music thing going on. I bought a sausage roll, a pork pie, and there's people doing like chocolate rum and things like that, and toffee vodka, and try a bit of this, try a bit of that, and there's a bit of music going on. But apparently, so I'm here on the Sunday, but apparently on the Saturday night there was a fireworks display as well. So I don't know whether that's every year, but that would have been Saturday the 20th of July, the fireworks display. So like I said, I wasn't in a very good mood because of the fiasco of trying to check in. Like I said, if you look at me other video, me part 2 of this, there was about 50 people trying to check in all at the same time at 3 o'clock. So I was less than impressed with that. But now I've calmed down. The room's all right. I'm fairly happy with the room. It's not too bad. I think, like I said, it might have been like 60 quid, I think. For 60 quid, you can't complain. So that's all I'm doing for now. That's the Premier Inn in Scarborough, South Bay. Okay, cheers, bye.